Hello. My name is Shivanand. Actually, I had come here for my father-in-law's treatment, for rather an endo stunt to be put. He has suffered from esophageal cancer, and after radiation, we went through a course of radiation and chemo in Bangalore. Then after the radiation, the esophageal somewhat got distorted and very difficult for something to pass. Food, it was a surprise the food was passing. But previous endoscopies, we tried to do some endoscopy to take a biopsy. That time also we couldn't penetrate. The doctors couldn't penetrate. So then first time when we did it at Bangalore, it turned out to be negative, and we were very happy that it was non-cancerous, that the cancer had gone. Then subsequently when we insisted and we went for the next month for the same thing. Somehow they dilated it and somehow they passed to that particular stage and removed a part. Then it turned out to be that it was the repeat of the so now his difficulty of swallowing increased day by day, and so we thought of coming and meeting Dr. S.H. Advani in Mumbai. So we met him and we told him that see, this is the case. We have done the first line of treatment, and they are going for the second line of chemo treatment, which we had gone for one of the one sitting, one set. Then we decided then this is not helping him because it was more torturous to him. So we couldn't sit, and we said we'll stop it. So we came here to Dr. Advani, and the moment he looked at the thing, and we called the patient also, he said the patient is not going to respond for chemo. So the best thing is to put a stent. Then yes, and he straight away mentioned Dr. Rathod's name on the prescription. So we thought of, when we came here, we found it was beyond our budget over here, as the stent itself was costing some 65,000. So we were thinking about the second, like taking the patient back to Bangalore and doing a cheaper procedure. Then we gave a thought, I was sitting down with Dr. Rathod, and he was very humane to consider our case, and he reduced the bill to a certain extent. But more than that, what I thought about was his level of confidence and his honesty. Then even though after that I was thinking what is to be done, then whether to take to Bangalore, then what happened was, I gave me a thought. He is definitely professional, but when Dr. Advani has recommended his name, there should be something. Then there was no looking back. I convinced the doctors there at Bangalore that I will do this one procedure here itself. Then I got and the doctor told me that these are the complications and I said, yes, please go ahead, I'm willing to take that. He explained me the risks properly and as they were. Then after that he did the procedure and he came out and told me that it was successful. In fact, I felt like congratulating him also. It was so complicated along with me. Then this is it. Now he's tolerated it very well, and he is. I think I would have made a mistake if I had gone out from here and opted for a cheaper thing. Even though I knew people over there, but the expertise what I think was here, I couldn't. Now I feel I couldn't get it over there. As far as the staff was concerned, from the first day onwards, they were very humane. They took him, like he was having some problems spitting. So they took the patient immediately before even they could admit him or do, and they put him in a bed. So made him comfortable. So I think if there is a slight bit of complication, there shouldn't be a second look. They should come here to this place.